Hi there. How much are your shoes? Did you hear me? How much are these?
3.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Thanks. Are you having a good sale?
No, understand.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming for Germany.
Oh, I see. Well, welcome to the States.
My friends
Okay.
is the moment in the petrol.
I see. Okay.
Yes,
No
yeah.
problem. No problem.
So for little kid, middle girls.
Everything. Yeah.
Sehr schauen, ja.
Okay.
Sweater.
What is it?
It's just a wolf switch. I don't know.
She's kann auch this.
Okay.
What'd she say?
Cement.
Oh, I see. This one, that's, well, it's a little worn, but that's cute. Maybe. I'll look. Here's some Ralph Lauren pants.
Oh yeah, I hadn't gotten to the chair yet.
I don't know. Is there a top that goes with that? Okay, let me look this up. Oh, did I leave my phone in the car?
Also hier sind die Hose.
I think I did.
Jeans.
Ja. Shirts.
Okay.
Hemd. Polo. Langarm. Also langen
Long
Arm.
sleeve.
Ja. So.
Okay.
Sleep.
Yes,
bed.
sheets.
Bus.
Okay. It's sheets. But I think I'm gonna skip it. I left my phone in the car, so I might need to borrow yours. But you know, a lot of this is. I don't need it yet, but gonna be European stuff, so.
There's this Zara shirt with hummingbirds on it.
Is it women's or men's?
I believe it's men's. Yeah, it's men's. Zara men's.
Can't tell what brand this is. It kind of looks like Vineyard Vines, but I don't think it is.
How much is this?
3, 5. Also es ist $1 to $3 and 50.
$3.50?
Yes.
Okay.
And how much for this?
10.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, so this was 10, and then these were 3.
And then this guy.
And that was how much?
$3.50.
Okay, so $16.50. There you go. You can keep it. We don't need any change back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want
No.
sombrero pieces?
Always trying to hurt me.
All presents here on Sunday, 12 p.m. 9 to 3.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty good.
So it might be worth it just for the pins.
While most toothpaste stop working in minutes, Respro Health's antibacterial fluoride protects for up to 12 hours to stop cavities before they start. Smile, Crest has you covered.
Halloween's over.
I know.
Consultation with a healthcare provider will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information.
At hers, we know
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
shower drain, a little less fullness in your ponytail, or hair thinning. Little changes can feel really big. Hers is here to help. That's
$5.
You can get started with a free Hers Hair quiz to determine your experience in hair loss.
That's broccoli.
Talk to you about your health history and get matched with
We handle accident cases.
So much.
If you're injured, we'll drive to your home to meet you. We'll return every call and keep you updated every step of the way. Here's the
Sorry.
difference. We were awarded best law firm in
Oh man, that's a heavy one.
Exercise settlements big. Get your free case review at realliferents.com. That's realliferents.com.
So these, if this is as a shirt, then it's $3, and it looks like. This looks vintage. It's made in the USA. This is $3, I think. Probably for that. And these are 10 a piece. But check this out, a vintage Trek, which is just, this is why I need copper. This is, no, these are 10. Coats are 10. Well, that's why. These 4 coats are 10. There's a Pearl Izumi. There's a couple. There's a couple of vintage jackets. The Pearl Zumi has some staining like this, but I think it'll come out in the wash, it looks like. But you tell me on that.
Oh, what was in there? Oh, it's just a little.
So these, if this is as a shirt, then it's $3, and it looks like.
Made in Korea.
$5 for this?
Probably.
Okay. I've already got most of a bag of stuff here. Did you bring a bag?
No.
Of course not. Why would you? Why would you? Here. Are you getting all this, honey?
I wanted you to look at this.
At these?
I don't know how much those are.
Sugar River State Trail. Oh, I don't know. Where'd you get them from?
Right over there.
I don't know if it says how much they are, does it? I can go ask him how much these are.
Are you ready to go back to the summer of '99?
These, how much are these?
You can do it for $1.
Okay.
Summer of '99.
$1.
Okay.
No? Okay. Alright. Oh, okay.
Your customers count on you. Do you have an internet provider you can count on? Switch to
I don't know either.
No, on this Pearl Zumi actually. But yes, on that Western one.
That was the last one.
Look that up. What's this? A marmot sleeping bag. That's probably worth it. I wonder how much that is. Oh, boy, that's going to be hard to figure out. I don't know how much this is, but this is a marmot sleeping bag, and I think it's down.
That's definitely not.
Okay.
This one I can't find the model. I have to take it out of here, but I think just with the case alone, this is worth it.
Okay, this is a marmot sleeping bag. It might be down. We'll probably need to, I don't know how much it is, but oh, maybe it's 12. Oh, no, that's on that.
You don't know how much it is?
No, but we would need to take it out and make sure it doesn't have any rips or tears.
Got it. It does not seem to have any tears, and it is definitely down because feathers are coming out of it. How much was this one?
Let's see. I think this is maybe like $5.
Okay.
It's time to get real personal.
Yeah, I'll put it on the hold section.
Ooh.
It's attached.
I know, we need to ask about it.
So
$75. Do you want to do it?
shit.
No, plus shipping.
Okay. If we can get it for like $10 or something.
That's it.
I would sell it. Yeah, as long as we can get it off, I don't mind.
Okay.
Works for you guys. Okay, yeah. $10. Okay, no problem.
Alright, let me see if I can get it off. I don't know how they mount exactly. I assume it kind of slides out like that. Yep.
And then there's probably a bracket.
Yeah. I think it might go. Does it go from the top?
You're going to see if I can find a screwdriver for you?
Flathead. See if you can get that apart. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, the other side should come off a lot easier with this. Alright, there's all the stoof.
Get to Specs and shop in awe. Because at Specs, the fun starts here.
Oh, it's cold.
Can I borrow one of your bags for all these screws? Okay.
Alright, where are you starting at? I'll start putting them in the bag.
Do you have a passion for helping others in need? Make a big difference in the DFW area by bringing in your
so 70 even for everything.
Alright.
Okay.
There
you go.
These are changed.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Good luck with the sale.
The number 2 impact.com. Head to one of their centers today. Each critical payments business is independently owned and operated. Your customers count on you. Do you have an internet provider you can count on?
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. You have a good one.
You too.